Right, today's product from Temu is a pair of Ninja air fryer silicone pots. We call them air fryer pots. There we go. So we're going to open these up. We've got two items today. I'm going to be using these in a bit. I'm going to put some cauliflower cheese in them. Do that. So there you go. There's your two silicone pots. Obviously these will fill out when you put your food in there, your wet stuff. Yeah, they feel durable. There you go. Right, these measures, how deep are they? About 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 centimeters deep. Okay, right, so they're about 7 centimeters deep. Just put that one to the side. Just to get the old Ninja tray out. These, well, let's have a look, see how they fit. There you go. Obviously you can fill them out there. Well, as you can see, there's a bit more gap there. Could have been done with a little bit higher, but really you don't want to overfill them anyway. So yeah, there you go. We'll test those out in a bit. Okay, I'll put that to one side over there a second. Next product is a pair of silicone mitts. So these are going to be handy. Right, two there. Take it they work like that. Grips in there as well. So I think these are going to work well with this. It's in here, you've got two little handles. See the two little handles? I'll stand up and you'll be able to pick them up like so. Sorry about the dog barking. Like so. Move that out of the way. Right, so we've got some cauliflower cheese. It's frozen cauliflower cheese. And we're going to be using the new silicone pot in a Ninja air fryer AF451 UK. So I'm not going to add anything to this at all. I'm just going to pop it in, something like that. And this should take around about 45 minutes, it says, but in the air fryer, obviously, it's a bit quicker. Nice little handles. We're going to stick it on bake. Plop it in. And off we go. Right, so there you go. It's been about 22.5 minutes. Let's have a look. That's a cauliflower cheese. Looks alright, doesn't it? Right, also, what I got from Temu is these little things. Now and then, now and then. They're silicone and they help stop burn. Yeah, lift them out. Yeah, that's good. I'll zoom in there and have a look. So there you go. Two new items. Proper job.